This 2025 Forest River No Boundaries RV Suite RVS3 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Avondale, Arizona, 85323 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Avondale. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a BOTANIC PINE interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.